This is why we need to have lemon every day. What is lemon? The origin of lemon is unknown, but lemons are first grown in Assam, northern Burma or China. The scientific name of lemon is Citrus limens. Lemons belong to Rutaceae family. This is vibrant yellow color fruit and oval to round shape with a pronounced bulb on one end. Lemon is one of the most popular and versatile fruit. It is most popular refreshing flavor and scent making and also flavoring many recipes and perfumes. Lemon is used in all kinds of drinks from teas, cocktails and juices. It is a rich source of vitamin C. Though the inner flesh is extremely sour to be eaten, a rich source of vitamin C possesses immense health benefits. Nutritional facts. Lemon has many nourishing elements like vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin A, vitamin E, folate, niacin, thiamine, riboflavin, pantothenic acid, copper, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, zinc, phosphorus and protein. It is a fruit that contains flavonoids, which are composites that contain antioxidants and anti-cancer properties. Health benefits of lemon. Treats indigestion. Lemon juice helps to cure problems related to indigestion and constipation. So by adding few drops of this citrus fruit juice to your dish will help in digestion. It acts as blood purifier and cleansing agent. Internal bleeding. It has antiseptic and coagulant properties, so it can stop internal bleeding. Soak a cotton ball in lemon juice and place it inside your nose to stop nosebleeds. Respiratory disorders. Lemon juice helps in relieving respiratory problems and breathing problems, such as its ability to soothe a person suffering from asthma. Being a rich source of vitamin C, it helps in dealing with more long-term respiratory disorders. Controls blood pressure. Drinking lemon juice is helpful for people suffering from heart problems because it contains potassium. It controls high blood pressure, dizziness and nausea as it provides a calming sensation to both the mind and body. It also helps to reduce mental stress and depression. It also provides many valuable solutions to health-related problems because it contains its own antiseptic and natural medications. It also helps to treat malaria. Treats cholera. Lemon acts as blood purifier, so diseases like malaria, cholera can be treated with lemon juice. Weight loss. A study showed that polyphenol antioxidants found in lemon significantly reduces weight gain caused by a high-fat fiber diet in mice. In addition, insulin resistance was improved. Anecdotal evidence is strong that lemon water supports weight loss. This is because the increase in water intake and fullness or lemons remain to be seen. Benefits for skin. The citric acid in lemon acts as a natural bleaching agent to lighten and brighten your skin complexion. It also helps to rid of discoloration caused by scars and skin disorders and age spots. By rubbing the lemon rind on the discolored elbows, that can reduce dark patches on your elbow. It also helps to prepare an anti-wrinkle mask. The antibacterial properties in lemon make effective for curing acne and blackheads. Benefits for hair. Lemon is a great natural remedy for dandruff. It also helps to prevent its recurrence. Lemon can also help to reduce excess sebum secretion, which often makes the scalp oily and causes the hair follicles to get clogged. Freshly squeezed lemon juice is a great bleaching agent and offers a natural way to lighten your hair without any side effects. Lemon mixed with coconut oil is beneficial in treating hair loss. Side effects of lemon. Lemon water is generally safe to drink, but there are few potential side effects. Lemon contains citric acid, which may erode tooth enamel. The acidic citric acid may stimulate heartburn in some individual. By drinking lemon water, some people report frequent trips to bathroom. Conclusion. When compared to size, it is very small but packed with numerous vitamins and minerals. So consuming lemon water has many health benefits. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.